Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Iman and today I'm going to be making sugar cookies for the first time. I hope you enjoy the video. Here are the ingredients. I've got 150 grams of granulated sugar, 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 170 grams of softened butter, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I've got 2 eggs. First I'm gonna add the butter. I've just melted it a little bit. Now I'm gonna add the sugar and I'm just gonna whisk it. Now I'm gonna add the eggs. Now I'm gonna whisk it. Now I'm gonna add the flour, the salt and the baking powder. Now I'm just gonna knead it. It's all ready. Now I'm gonna roll it out. I've just put a parchment paper on top of it and underneath it. And I'm gonna add it in the fridge before I cut it. I've got some cookie cutters now, I'm just gonna cut them. This is my first time making sugar cookies, so I hope they turn out good. Now I'm going to put them in the oven for 20 minutes, 160 degrees, and the gas mark is 4. Now I'm going to be making the sugar cookie icing. I'm adding 1 cup of icing sugar and sifting that out. Now I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of milk and 3 teaspoons of corn syrup. Now I'm going to mix it until it turns into a paste. It's all ready. Now I'm just going to separate it so then I can put food colouring. The cookies are out of the oven. Now I'm going to decorate them. Just put them in some piping bag. They're all decorated and they turned out so good for the first time. I can't wait to try them. Now I'm putting them in gift boxes and you can give these to family and friends for Eid. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn that post notification bell on. Have a happy Ramadan. Allah Hafiz.